In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Connections. Then select Bluetooth. Make sure that this switcher at the top is blue and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this gear right next to your device and hit on Pair at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!